All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on now to the next fight. Introducing first from Kochi, Ryzen Mays. And now introducing his opponent from Mangalore, Nikhil Shetty.
You know the rules, okay? Don't do the
We
foul.
have Ryzen Mays,
your
blue
best.
corner with a
That's
record
awesome
of 4-1. And Nikhil Shetty, red corner with a record of 5 wins and 5 losses. And referee Praveen getting things started for us. Ryzen starts with an inside kick. Nikhil replies with a kick of his own. Beautiful kick, however, Nikhil, excellent timing and takes down Ryzen.
Excellent timing indeed as I join back into the broadcast booth with the man himself, Vishal Segal. My name is Arjun Chapalkati, and you have been watching a fantastic set of amateur fighting. Superhuman Battleground brings you the best amateur fights in the country, and we're seeing some of them. We saw some great fights in the prelims, pre-prelims, and now once the main card is started, it seems pretty pro, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. Nikhil doing an excellent job controlling this fight,
And
and he's landing some good strikes.
and great balance and control by Nikhil here. You can see
Absolutely.
Ryzen trying to get up and reverse position. He might
And
sneak
it
out the
gives up
back door.
almost his back, but
Oh man,
viciously taken down.
just
back
pushed down. Now
on
he's
his
got the
back.
mount.
There you go. For somebody wearing Muay Thai shorts,
Oh, big ground and pound. Referee's watching this fight end soon. He's bucking his hips, trying to get out of this position. And he's intelligently defending himself, but he needs to keep
Nikhil
moving.
is going for it.
Oh man,
Nikhil has
Nikhil's
gives
gotta
his
stop
back.
this fight. It's going to be
Nikhil
stopped
said.
anytime now.
It-
The referee is letting it go longer
He
than
needs
it
to
should.
do a little more than that.
He needs
For-
to, and
there
like
you go.
called it.
Correct.
That
correct.
is the end of the fight. Great stop and a great win for the Mangalorite in front of the crowd, a cheering crowd that has come alive here at Superhuman Battleground.
Excellent dominant performance by Nikhil Shetty. Improves his record to 6 wins and 5 losses from Mangalore, Karnataka, here at Superhuman Battleground Fight Night 4, as Arjun steps in the cage to announce the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee calls a stop to this contest at 1 minute 39 seconds of the first round. Your winner from Mangalore in the red corner, Nikhil Shetty.